With Bosch air conditioning servicing equipment, your workshop will be primed to deliver professional air conditioning servicing in every respect. Air conditioning systems in vehicles need to be regularly maintained, especially in view of the increasing number of electric cars and hybrid vehicles, in which air conditioning plays a crucial role in battery temperature management. Regular servicing is essential if the vehicle is going to hold its value. Whether you use the fully equipped or the smaller version, whichever device you select from the new Bosch ACS series, maintenance work is straightforward, thorough and efficient. This goes for both the R134A and the R1234YF systems. The ACS series has several unique features. Of these systems is our deep recovery function for high coolant recovery. At the same time, a vacuum pump built into the ACS is deployed via a compressor for normal recovery, with the aim of conserving up to 99% of the refrigerant. Another feature to increase the efficiency is the ACS Connect app for both Apple and Android smartphones to check the status of the servicing operation at any time. Optional accessories for the ACS series include the Bosch flushing kit. Flushing removes all traces of lubricants, contaminated oil, refrigerant and carbon residues and restores the efficiency of the air conditioning system. The Bosch nitrogen kit, likewise available as an optional extra, makes tracing leaks in a vehicle's air conditioning system more effective than ever. All ACS units are integrated in the Bosch Connected Repair and Workshop Net. They are equipped with clickable oil bottles and easy to maintain. Check out our offerings for cabin filters as well, for the best possible air quality inside the vehicle. Make your workshop fit for the future and for professional air conditioning servicing with no compromises with the Bosch ACS series.